In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook Marketplace, not showing items. If Marketplace has suddenly vanished or listings won't load, don't worry, follow along and we'll walk through practical fixes that usually get it working again. Start by checking whether the Marketplace icon is simply hidden. On mobile, open the menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Scroll to Navigation Bar and tap Customize the bar. Look for Marketplace. If it shows as hidden, switch it to auto or pin so it stays visible. After changing this, return to the app's home screen to see if the Marketplace tab reappears. If items still don't load, clear temporary files and refresh. On Android, open your phone's settings, then apps, find Facebook, go to storage, and tap clear cache. This removes temporary data without touching your login or app data. Reopen Facebook and try Marketplace again. On a computer, do a hard refresh of the page. Press Ctrl plus F5 on Windows, or Command plus Shift plus R on a Mac. If that doesn't help, try clearing your browser's cookies and site data for Facebook. Just note this may sign you out, so be ready to log back in. Tablet users who see a white or blank Marketplace screen can try the orientation flip. Make sure screen rotation is unlocked, then physically rotate your device from landscape to portrait or the other way around. This quick redraw often snaps the interface back into place and the listings appear immediately. If you're seeing Marketplace listed as unavailable, verify your account's eligibility. Your age must be set to 18 or older. Marketplace is only offered in specific countries, so make sure your current city reflects a supported region. Also, very new accounts may need a short waiting period before Marketplace fully unlocks. If you recently changed your age or location, allow some time for those updates to propagate. When all else fails, force a reset of your session and environment. Log out of Facebook and log back in to refresh your connections to the servers. If the app continues to fail, try using a browser instead by visiting facebook.com/marketplace on mobile or desktop to see if items show there. Finally, check for any restrictions. Go to Menu, then Help and Support, and open your support inbox to confirm your access hasn't been temporarily paused due to a listing issue. That's it. Work through these fixes in order, and you should see Marketplace and its listings return. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your Marketplace feed back on track.